For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
These scenes that you see is at one of the largest refugee camps housing Rohingya refugees at the city of Cox's Bazar. Housing close to 1 million of these refugees, the camp is home to the Rohingyas who fled from Myanmar owing to the alleged atrocities committed on them by the local population. One look at these crowded hutments and it's immediately clear that there is absolutely no room for social distancing and hygiene. Yet the crowded and cramped refugee camp is the only solace left for the refugees. With the crowded camp reporting its first case of COVID-19, it's only a matter of time before the virus infects the others. After all, the virus thrives on proximity of individuals to spread. Despite the threat posed by the virus, the refugees have no choice but to bear its brunt. Though the fear of contracting the virus lingers in their mind, the cramped shacks are the only place they can stay at the moment. Meanwhile, the authorities have begun taking measures to contain the spread of COVID-19. A special isolation camp complete with medical facilities has been set up to treat new cases. However, knowing the rapidity of the dreaded virus in infecting the others, it remains to be seen if these measures will be able to stop the spread of the virus among the already harried refugees.